Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And behind me I have a 24 by 30 inch canvas, but in front of me I have a couple of containers, and I'm looking for my white metallic. There it is, from Additives, which works really well for me in the bottom of containers. And is my dustpan going to fit in either one of those? Yeah, it will. But I think I'm going to use my dustpan as well, because it's a huge canvas, really. And I'm going to throw some Arteza phthalo green with iridescent pearl fine from golden in it. I'm just going to throw all the colors that I like in here. All the colors that I just used in another painting. That is an electric blue from Arteza. This is something I never use, which is Mysterious. They don't sell it anymore, unfortunately. This is Chrysocolla from Color Art. It's a prism pour. This is a Folk Art green gold. I will probably put a little bit of everything that I just used in here, and maybe a few more things. And that's the Amethyst, because I love, love, love these colors. They're just they float my boat. I may be having to scrape some of these things out of here. I think I'm going to put some silver and gold in, but I'm also going to put some Prussian blue. This was an off-brand. This wasn't my normal brand. But any tube paint, I don't think you find the Prussian blue that isn't in a tube paint. So just make sure you mix enough pouring medium in there. This is Emerald Green from Folk Art, which is color shifting. This is an Arteza Purple Metallic, which is not coming out. But you know what? It's a big canvas, so let's just give me some. I will probably use a shovel. I'm definitely contemplating putting some Venetian blue in. Unfortunately, usually it sinks, so maybe I'll just use a copious amount. Whoops. Not my plan right there. Hate wasting paint. Hate it. So, I've never used 3 pans of color all at once. This is my purple flash that's not behaving. This is my Folk Art neon purple with iridescent pearl fine in it. Here's some turquoise with iridescent pearl fine added to it. Also, that's clogging up as I squeeze it. There we go. I said I was going to put some black in, but I really want some of this purple flash from Folk Art. And I was just using it. It doesn't look open yet. Hang on a second. This is all about the colors. I want to sneak some orange in there. I really do. I'm being compelled. And I might put some white, and I might put some golden hour, which is a really nice light buttery yellow. I'd like to have different quantities of things in every one of these, and so far the colors look, I mean, the pans look fantastic. Let's see what they look like when I scoop them out. I have a color shifting. I've got a peacock. I'm not sure what this is, but it's iridescent and it's turquoise. So now, because the gold makes nice cells, I'm going to give myself some gold. I'm going to use the Amsterdam Black. That's the recipe's underneath the video, underneath the description. It's got pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax in it. I might be wasting it now because usually it doesn't necessarily make cells. I also did some Amsterdam White. And usually what I do is use more of the Anita's White Metallic, which is what I'm going to do. I did talk about grabbing that golden hour, and I'm going to do that. And because I'm a risk taker, I'm also going to throw some orange in one of these and hope for the best. Okay, it's time to move these things out of the way, bring my canvas over, and I might be starting with my, you know what, I'm not done with that, because that's where I'm starting. So if I'm starting there, then I'm going to go Hot Orchid Prism Pour and throw both a little more Venetian Blue, and the lighter version of the Venetian Blue is mostly Anita's White Metallic. And I want something dark in there, so I guess it's going to be Prussian Blue. Let's swamp it. Do I have everything I want in there? I don't know. Well, this is going to be the interesting start for sure. I'm inclined to work the long way because I can't, because I don't have a turntable. And I want to do something a little different than usual. And give a little tip. I do see I have something in there that needs to come out. And I do want to fill in this part right there. And I might have something else I need to fill in there. Yep, got it. So I think if I go down, there's more of them. Oh, and I still have something on my tweezers. Off my tweezers, you. Now, time to grab a shovel full of paint. And see what kind of mischief I can get up to. I'm going to clean out my dustpan first. It's really weird. I really prefer the turntable. And I want to actually move a few of these bottles out of my way since I took what I needed and now I need the space back again. So bear with me for a moment. Let me give myself what I need to work with. Oh, the Amsterdam is working well. We have beautiful cells. But we also got a very strange composition going on here. Very strange indeed. I think there's creatures emerging from this. I'm just going to move that right over to the edge. And it's really tempting. I haven't done this ever on something this size, so it could be kind of cool. I'm really tempted to go ahead and grab a silicone hair tool and utilize all of the paint that's in my dustpan. Because why not, really? It's there, it's pretty. I hate wasting things. And there's no need of it. I just hope this isn't my first official failure. But if I just relax and let my muse play, I'm pretty sure I'll be all right. And my dustpan is about cleared out. And I'm loving those little marks. And I've got paint on the bottom of my dustpan too. They used to sell these at the dollar store. I don't know where they sell them anymore. I should probably have them on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is below, show more underneath the video. On the link tree, it's also below the video. I've always liked this tool, but I've never known exactly what to do with it. You know what? I could I could stop very shortly. Yeah, that went away almost as fast as it arrived. I'm just dipping right into my little reservoirs. I sort of scrape down a canvas when I put that down. That is pretty cool. Really it is. I don't know what it is. It's some really weird plant or bird or something. I'm going to grab just enough paint. To finish that strange mark. I really want to make strange things happen. And they are. Strange things are definitely happening. I think it's time to just give up worrying and have some fun. And it is fun. I don't know if you can see all the way to the edge, but I'm just cleaning off the little spatula right there. I kind of feel like I should turn this, but I also think it's really cool just the way it is. Ha! I'm going to finish those marks, let them go right down over the edge. I did pre-prime this canvas. It was pre-primed and then I primed it again. So I would have a slightly smoother finish. Pretty sure also you can't go wrong with these colors. I love purple and green together. I like the little attachments. I think that needs to go all the way down. I am trying things I have not tried before. I love how thin this blade is, and I can use it straight up above. With just the residuals of the paint on there. It makes me want to pull something right down this way, and I'm not sure I could get away with it, so I've got lots of great paint. I might have to do another painting. There, that was not a bad addition. I'll take the paint out of my shovel on my thumb and finish my mark. Pretty sure I'm not done with that area either. Well, I guess I'm definitely not done with that area. I need more paint. keep cleaning out my shovel and adding new and cool patterns via the hair tool I'm using is for putting color in hair, and it's on my Amazon link. I'm going to grab all of the paint that I can and let it go right down over the edge right now. I'm not sure you can see me, and I'm really sorry about that. I have another object in my painting. It does not belong. I need to make sure I have enough paint to make my mark go all the way down over. I'm liking it. It's actually feeling like a composition. It's pretty bizarre. Feels like a fish. Ooh, that's a cool fish. That's a very cool fish. I like that fish. Let's give that fish a bigger tail. So, you'll have to look at this upside down to see what I see. And I'm not sure I need to do much of anything else to it, but you know me, and chances are good I will. And I'm really liking playing with my little hair tool a lot. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. And if you're looking to buy something, make a note of the hashtag and the file number in the title. I have seldom tried to be precise when shovel pouring, and this is a lot more to do with spatula pouring than shovel pouring. But I think if I grab another shovel, I'm very tempted to go right over there, even though I got a little blob. And maybe I could have done without it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you very much. If you're looking for more videos, you'll find them on my playlist, creative playlists, all playlists. I'm just going to keep playing for a while. I'm using my spatula to go over my edge. And looking and seeing what I like. I've got a minute left to tell you guys there's a monthly drawing, and if you want to win a painting, you should look at the exhibition video on the end screens of any video, because it will show you what's up for grabs in the next drawing. The drawings happen at the beginning of the month. To get in the drawing, you must be a contributor through PayPal or Patreon. You'll be automatically entered if you do. I feel like I'm endangering this by every stroke. But I really don't want to stop because I'm being compelled. Fish in a trap. I think I want some stuff right down here. Alright, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I love you guys.